a beautiful afternoon and evening. Any plans you have after work should not be impacted.
Sorry, I'm just envisioning you throwing birdseed at Bear and taking off.
Okay, please leave me alone, Bear. We are still dealing with an air quality alert, though, and that's going to be our biggest issue throughout the night. Yesterday, we had a tornado touch down in Holmes County. This is what the velocity of the radar looked like yesterday at this time. Well, about an hour before, but around 5:30. So 5:28 to 5:31 was when this tornado touched down right around the Lake Buckhorn area. State Route 83 caused a lot of tree damage. It was an EF1, so even though it was on the ground for only 3 minutes, it was a pretty powerful storm at 105-mile-per-hour wind speeds on the ground for about a mile, 1.32. And we did have last Thursday another confirmed tornado. Just happened today that we got the confirmation in Stark County. EF0, 80-mile-per-hour winds. So 2 tornadoes confirmed today, just on 2 separate days. And thankfully, not talking tornadoes for this afternoon or evening. We are seeing a mixture of sun and clouds. It's a little cool for this time of the year, but comfortable. Low and mid 70s across Northeast Ohio. Southwesterly winds about 10 miles per hour. As we move into tonight, those wind speeds are expected to diminish, more so like 5 to 10. Tomorrow it'll be breezy again, 10 to 15. All across Northeast Ohio, you've got those lower to mid 70s. There's not a huge spread. It's about a 5-degree difference from our coolest spot to our warmest spot. Ravenna was at 69, but you've increased to about 70 degrees. And great baseball weather at first pitch in just a couple of minutes here. Once the sun goes down, we're going to be seeing those temperatures fall into the 60s and then eventually the 50s overnight. Air quality alert, as I mentioned, still in effect for the next 6 hours until midnight. But overnight, it's going to be quiet, cool, lots of sunshine. It is going to be a very pleasant start to the day, although a little crisp for the morning drive in the 50s. The PM drive in the 80s. So we're going to jump about 10 degrees from today to tomorrow. It's really going to heat up from your Tuesday to your Wednesday. A little bit of some smoke in the atmosphere, though. Watch what happens when we look at the smoke cast. Most of this is considered light as we get into the morning, more so by about 24 hours from now. This shows us that it looks like it's going to be thickening up a little bit. We don't have an air quality alert issued yet, but if you were sensitive to the particulate matter today that was not associated with Canadian wildfire smoke, there is showing up that it could worsen tomorrow, at least how it looks in the sky. So plan for that smoky, milky look to the sky for tomorrow, but we'll be staying dry and warming up. High pressure in control, high and dry for the rest of today, tomorrow. Most of Thursday. There is a cold front that approaches the area as we get to tomorrow, honestly, but there's not much happening until we get to Thursday. A slim shot for a shower that's going to go up each day. So Friday, few showers and storms. Highest chance I continue to have on Saturday, but it only dips a little bit for Sunday. I think both days are going to be dealing with some on and off showers and thunderstorms. Just not the best timing. Trying to go golfing with Dad, trying to do anything outside. It is something that you want to be aware of. At this point, if I was to show you the future cast, it looks really pessimistic. We get closer to it, you start to get that high resolution data, and you'll be able to pinpoint the locations and the timing a little bit better in about a day or two.